In this sessions, we are going to learn paste special features in Excel. Microsoft Excel give you a lot of flexibility in pasting the data. For example, if I try to copy this data, Ctrl C, and going to paste it here by pressing Ctrl V, everything has been pasted, including the content, including the formatting, and in case if there had been any formulas, that would be also been pasted. So you may want to more control over the way you want to paste. And just pressing Ctrl Z. Maybe you only want to paste the content, you already have the existing format here. For example, apart from the database, right side you can see a small format, right? I just want to copy this data to this format. So let me try to copy this, copy it and paste it here. But here everything has been pasted. I'm just pressing Ctrl Z. But my condition was when I try to copy this data and paste it here, heading color should be yellow instead of green. But here what happened? When I copy this and paste it here, the earlier format goes away and the new format is applied, right? Just pressing Ctrl Z. Such cases you can use paste specials option or paste specials tool in Excel. There are multiple ways you can access paste special option. The very first option is, for example, I'm just trying to copy this, and before pasting it, just right click your mouse button and you can see here paste special option, right? Just click on it. As soon as you click on it, you'll get one window called paste special. Under that there's a tools section. Here I'm going to cover only few options. Rest of the things I'll be covering up with more example when I cover the advanced level topic. Okay, here what I'm going to do, I just copied already, right? Here I want to paste only the content, not the entire format, but the format should be the same color. Okay, in that case under paste you can see value, right? That means you only trying to paste the values. Just select the value here and click on OK. But you can see that complete content has been pasted here, and pressing Ctrl Z. And another way you can access the paste special toolbar is after copying this data and paste it here, and as soon as you paste it here, you can see a small options here appear, right? Control, right? So just drop down. Under that you can see the sub options like paste, paste value and other paste portion. Since you are trying to copy the value, just select this paste value options and click on very first option called values. As soon as click on it, only the content has been copied to the new format. Clear? And again, if I click on this drop down options, you will get a number of multiple options as well. As I said before, I'll be covering up the same when I take that advanced level topic. Okay? And just pressing Ctrl Z. And another way you can access is after copying this, and as soon as you paste it here, under home ribbon, there's a category called clipboard. Under that, you will get paste options. Just click on this. Same option you can see here, right? Here also you can choose these paste value options. Okay, and just pressing undo. The last method of accessing paste specials toolbar is follow shortcut key. For example, I'm just trying to copy this and just place a cursor where you want to copy the data. After that, press keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt V. As soon as you click on that, you get this dialog box. From here you can opt values and click on OK. See, clear? And another interesting features in paste special tool is transpose the data. I'm just deleting this. For example, here you can see data is showing the vertical way, right? I just want to make it landscape mode. How can we do that? It's very simple. Just copy this and place the cursor where you want to make it landscape. I'm just selecting A3 and right click here, paste special. Under paste special you can see transpose option, right? Just click on it and make it OK. See, complete data has been copied landscape mode. See, in case if you want to make it landscape to vertical, copy this data and place the cursor on the cell where you want to copy this data to vertical mode. For example, I just select the L13, right click here, paste special, again transpose, OK. See, the data has been converted to vertical, right? Just pressing Ctrl Z. And last interesting features in this topics are multiplication or adding. For example, I just want to add 25 more marks on this given ranges. That case, just press 25 any of this cell. After that, just copy this and select respective ranges and right click here, paste special. You can see an add option under operations category. Just select this because we are going to add this 25 against these marks, right? And as soon as I click on OK, the amount has been added to these ranges. Pressing Ctrl Z, similar way, the same 25, I just want to do the multiplication against these ranges. That case, Ctrl Z, again trying to copy this data, right click, paste special. You can see multiply options under option, click on it and press OK. See, the 25 has been multiplied to against respective cells in these ranges. Clear? So let's move to next topic.